God, this is good. All right, YouTube, I'm hungry, and you are?
Two.
She's hungry too. All right. So today, what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make sugar bacon.
Sugar bacon.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try to make some candied bacon. All right, what's in our candied bacon?
Brown sugar.
What else?
Syrup.
Maple syrup. What is this?
That is like
Barbecue sauce.
barbecue sauce. That is lemon juice.
And what is this? This is our secret seasoning, right?
Yep.
All right, so what do we gotta do with all this stuff?
We gotta mix it with the bacon.
We gotta mix it with the bacon. So we got about, what, 7 pounds of bacon?
I think so.
And we gotta get all this stuff in this bowl. So start putting it in there to begin with, okay?
We're gonna start with the sauce.
Yep. And I'm gonna help you, all right?
Okay.
So you hand me that. All right.
I think we could. The second is brown sugar.
All right. Oh look, there's a leaf in there.
Ah!
Oh, that's not good. All right.
We don't want any leaves.
No leaves. No leaves. All right.
I think second.
Go ahead and dump in that brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Oh my God, that's a lot of brown sugar.
No.
All right. What's next?
We could add some
Lemon juice. Put it in there.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
That almost looks
All right.
like
What
milk.
else you got? What else? What's next?
We could say
The honey?
honey mustard.
Oh, this is some sticky honey too, isn't it?
Yeah, so almost like from.
This isn't honey mustard. This is just honey.
Yeah.
You remember stuff just about as well as I do.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there goes this sticky honey.
And now for the stickiest one.
Hold on, honey's all I gotta get out of here first. What is the stickiest one?
The stickiest one is maple syrup.
I don't know, sweetheart. This honey's pretty sticky. All right, dump it in there.
Woo!
All right, let's see.
This is for pancakes.
For pancakes. All right. What about our secret sauce? Our secret seasoning?
Yeah, we should put our secret seasoning.
Just dump it in there. There you go. That's all of it, right?
Yep. Now we stir it.
Now we stir it. You want to stir it?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. No, you're not going to stir with this. You know what you can stir with?
What? Ooh,
That. All right. Get all up in the middle of it. And you stir it up. Stir like crazy.
I love stirring. God.
Dip your finger in there.
Oh my God, this is good.
All right. That's our candy. All right, so what else do we got to do now?
We got to dip the bacon.
All right, so the first thing we have to do, right?
It's smoking.
Nope. First thing we have to do, we got to go wash our hands again. We got to put gloves on. All right, so your hands are clean?
Yep.
All right, so this is what you need to do. You need to grab a slice of bacon and put it in our sauce.
Okay, that sounds like easy plan. Okay, on the last, final.
Is that it? No, you still got a little bit more in there, baby. Keep going.
I broke a piece off.
That's fine. Hey, don't waste it though. Throw that little piece in here too.
We're gonna have that for brunch.
For brunch? No, this isn't brunch. All right, YouTube. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I've got to tell you, and I know I say this a lot, but that Bella's cold smoke generator for this BFG is a game changer. My grill's at about 225 degrees, exactly where I want it. And I'm gonna start loading the bacon up. And this might take me a little bit, so I'll probably skip and fast forward right now. Look at all that bacon in there. Just look at it. Just look at it. You know, when I ordered this third rack, my wife, she asked me, why are you ordering that third rack? There's no way you need that much space. Well, bacon. Candied bacon. All right, the grill, it's set at 225. We're gonna come back in about 30 minutes or so. I wanna hear more of the grease hitting the drip trays. And then we're gonna set it up to about 325 until it's YouTube. We're about, I don't know, an hour and a half into it. Let's just take a quick look. We wanna make sure, you know, I don't cook this to a temperature. I cook it to what it looks like. You know, it's starting to get there. I'm hoping my shadow isn't too bad on this. YouTube, I'm pretty sure these are done. I've been checking it every 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me pull these out just a little bit so you all can see this better. Oh, they're going to need to cool down. They're going to need to cool down a lot. Oh my God, these look good. All right, get in here and look at these. Get in there. Get in there and look at those. I think my baby girl's going to want one. So let me pull out one now and let it start to cool. Oh my goodness. All right, keep your bacon flow on it.
Okay.
All right, is that good or what?
It is really good.
All right, YouTube. She's spoken. It's good. I had to take it off, let it cool down, take some pictures, and we'll see you next time.